How to make split screen in Rocket League on PS4. In today's video, I'll show you how to play Rocket League in split screen mode on PS4 so you can enjoy the game with a friend on the same screen. To enable split screen, you'll need a second controller. Here's what you need to do. Just turn on your second PS4 controller and press the PS button to activate it. Log into a second PSN account or use a guest account if you don't have one. If you're playing online, both players need a PlayStation Plus subscription. Now, to split up the screen mode in Rocket League, just launch Rocket League on your PS4, press options on the second controller. A prompt will appear asking player 2 to join the game. Choose local play for offline mode or online play to compete with others. Now, if you don't see the join options, restart the game and try again. Now, before you jump into a match, make sure both players have the settings ready. And that's it. Now you know how to play Rocket League in split screen mode on PS4.